Here we go.
Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
What do you think?
It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so
Didn't
great.
it come out nice?
Oh my gosh, this is so amazing. It's perfect. Oh, I love this.
You like the ceiling?
I do. I'm speechless. It's beautiful. It's more than I imagined it would be. I can totally imagine myself living in it. The people have been so great, and it's like the people here and my family has been so supportive. It's a dream come true, and I'm really excited to hit the road and to see everything and to have adventures and make connections, and that's why I'm doing this. So it's so exciting. It's really beautiful. It's gonna be my new home.